how to make a Pikachu character? Hello, dear viewers. Today, your name, am here with a very special video. On this channel, I usually share fun projects related to paper art. But today, I'm going to show you how to make the adorable and fun character Pikachu using the cube craft technique. This is definitely a video you don't want to miss, so let's get started right away. Pikachu is one of the most iconic characters in the Pokémon universe. It was first introduced in the Pokémon series, which premiered in Japan in 1996. Pikachu was designed by Satoshi Tajiri, the main creator of Pokémon, and illustrated by Ken Sugimori. The name Pikachu comes from the combination of the Japanese words Pika, representing squeaking sounds, and Chu, meaning a mouse or squeaky noises. Therefore, Pikachu's name reflects its distinctive sound. Pikachu is a cute, yellow creature with a round body, large black eyes, and distinctive ears. Being an electric-type Pokémon, it is full of high energy and is famous for its lightning attacks. Pikachu stands out in the Pokémon universe as one of the main characters alongside Ash Ketchum and is beloved by a wide fan base. And here we are at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this CubeCraft Pikachu creation. Hopefully, you've also had the excitement of crafting this cute Pikachu model at home. I genuinely had a great time creating this video. And if you decide to try this project yourself, I encourage you to be as creative as possible and add your unique touches. Remember, art is a personal expression, and everyone's style is different. As always, keep being creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.